In aion a leach lúclaachta na chailúnt le drogar tú, chunas marvach cun ar a thugraig ar Cill Dara. Be cháts na bútóirí it le canis lein. Má darmat annacha a haman trátrúta.
Shelvin George an Iarmhí agus ar nóid droscéil fáte le Luke. Lachlan gan bheit fá lacha wat se hagan iad. Seo Ray Connellan. Ray Garrett shot tá tíbhiste go nína cearcha cúig. Tá sé tíbhiste an stúa, tá sí kick an áir de gasan sí isteach. Gasan sí isteach go háling. Scór háling i Ray Connellan. Kildare is a gaibú isteach an seo. Slú bra tak seo. Port Leished dan if I can shot fechens Keves le Black Clear ama le gum dan shot chances goal bar ta mat ta chances goal ta the goal bar ta Cill Fós a Kildare Sawad into Genta Jason Daly Kildare Chatanish kicker to Trasta a Callum Bolton was that throw chat on Dave Lane Genta that's Ben Lokman Ben Lokman and a go hauling Ben Lokman score Oring. Trio can score to Egget. Nach Jasper Dor the Chen Rod the Chen. Koshir Darling as in Kriech Hama Kena. And Iarmhí Chach to East. Coolin wanted in the corner, should have made. Pass says each to the Butcher's Dach. Watchonish Brian Cooney. Cooney gave him a moment to that's against a chance to go. Oh, cold and scuff. Fota Brian Cooney. Over the Dinniga. Pager knock back and cousin Dora Hostock knock Jasper Kriechtisha. Cool into a hit, cool fact I'm gonna chop. Dara Chatanish is told to shoot, Fraggart, must say the lot of the Dara swords. Pass to Gega. But the Russian Dara swords, Rachel Costaginish, tries to take more than Stewart by Brother Rosh, the Mahinti Shahara Traston, August Chayan. There with Atron Joss, coming in special Machador on Park and Chin, Kanchan British East and Caves on British fighting in Iarmhí. Shachan Keane and chop. Ty Baker. Gary Shachar goal. I think it was a lot leaning on cool. Tasha Nan, Chatanies, Tasha Nan score on. Score Jassy Ty Baker. Dara Chachtarishanish. Koshiottias. Post Shelivaka. Watch a Kevin Feely. Can more meet the Kevin Feely. Can Crane a Kevin Feely. Scored Dastic of Ardor Porca. Iarmhí Chachtarish. And Lewis is in Glyphishon. Here's the Lohib Gativ. Watch Sean Ishik Sam McCartan. Paspas as a core. Shelifos Ege. Fucking shot fight. Or she put to order. Is put to her trust on. Cool at the reach. Is Kildare Chachtarish. Dolphin Keane and Tronish, Ben McCormack. Ben McCormack a shot. Or the Owen Cully. Owen Cully to Derek Kerwin. Derek Kerwin spots Croydon. But already Derek Kerwin, but to Das. Like Farnosnery. Coram and shot. A Port Leisha. On Chivlins could do. Nish. And Lachuli Lord, we shall order fast. Does he fight to Gerdera? Watching Shane Allen toward Fui, Shane Allen or Corra Traston. And he'll be rash Contossa. He'll dinner, again, Iarmhí Kappa Cousin Jana, kind of a digging foul on them, or if there's Nimmer down to the right, it's Tao. Nishta in Murray Torshach, Tits him for the Heitze. Gaiber Trasna, Kashid Ibersus, Shanta Horta going to get his Zulu Fed, then he can check her Traston. Fós Akam, Brew Chat Fós on a customary. Watching Alex Burke a third Fui, Alex Burke Hara Traston. On my Ambresh I'm gonna chop. Ambresh the charge, you can only be in the score in it. Hoflur Shach, Seo canna sinna Dara Kerwin lena Kittóg Dara Kerwin go hauling. Kildare ní chun cín. Iarmhí teachta rís. Gardisteach an seo. Oh, pass Justice balls for Chanter goal. Just he fought on next talk, scores out the goal. Brandon Kelly in Amsha. Saw what into the thug. Near the goal trust. Brandon would reached. Brandon Kelly to know cart. Or stop with KD Ruth. Me or a goal bar. Hara. Brandon Kelly Stoma. Derek V or a goal bar. Achfi Brandon Kelly on Clifton Chinlishin. On here reach after reach. How long am I calling in? Look at my Derridenta. Panchella Fosaka. Makachoga Brandon Kelly. Push on Cole. Look at this time. Colin Fonsiga. Bader or hugging to there. Colin and Orchish. Or fogging to Eid. Kerry Colin Concain. Few cool ni Laura to Kildare Gatrosha. Bristol Martin, Bunyan Bolta, and Iarmhí Arashter, Diffa Canish Lion, Don Gaydor, Hobble is a shade dog, and Don Sheo or Rios.